Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on OPPO A94 5G. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin the search for an app and enter Microsoft Edge. Hit that search button, then select this app and install it. After that process is done, we'll be able to open our app. And here begin the setup. So first is to sign in to turn on synchronization. You can skip it right here, you can sign in right here. So I'm gonna skip it for now. Next we have to set up for your data sharing preferences, and if you want it, make sure that it's enabled. If you don't want it, make sure that it's disabled. Then click on confirm. And lastly, you can set Microsoft Edge as your default browser or click not now if you don't want it. So let me actually do that. Here select the Edge, set as default, and our browser is ready. Let's open any website. And as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.